delicious baked potatoes in an air fryer. So let's go. I'm ready. I'm ready. So we only have two ingredients today. Ingredients today. We have salt and olive oil. Olive oil and salt. That's it. So I already pour my olive oil in a bowl and salt. This is it. Very, very delicious and easy. So we'll poke our potatoes first. We don't want our potatoes to explode. So you have to do this process first. This process has to be done. Gonna be delicious, crisp outside and soft inside. Crisp outside, soft inside. I've done it before, guys. If you watch my videos, you can check it out. This is the second time I'm doing it. We are going to use only 2 ingredients. You can use any kind of oil you have. You can use butter, vegetable oil, any oil you like. It's fine. It doesn't have to be olive oil. I want my salt to go in. It's gonna be sweet and salty. Sweet and salty. I think I've done enough. So now we are going to rub it with the olive oil first, then we add our salt. Olive oil first. This will make the skin crispy, very crisp. That's good. So it's time for salt. Let's rub the salt. Gonna be sweet and salty. Sweet and salty. That's good enough. So it's time to put them in the oven. So it will be 390 for 40 minutes, but we'll keep an eye on them. 390. I'll put 40 minutes. This side too. 390. 40 minutes. But we'll keep an eye on them. That's it. That's it. So we'll wait. Our cooking is done. It's exactly 40 minutes. Nice and crisp. Woo, woo, woo. I need my knife. My knife. Oh my goodness. Very crisp from outside. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Ooh. Ooh. So just look at it, guys. Just look at it. It's so yummy. And now I'm gonna put my cheese. You can use butter. If you like butter or cheese, it's okay. So this is it. This is it. I want it loaded with cheese. And I'm going to put it in for at least 5 minutes for the cheese to melt. So we'll give it another 5 minutes. So our cheese is melted. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look how beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh. Let me try it. So yummy. And this cheese is so good. It's a little bit of salty. A little bit salty. And very yummy. So it's sweet and salty at the same time. Very, very yummy. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with friends and family. Bye now. Bye bye.